Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Talk. Hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to talk about some project ideas for absolute beginners. Most beginners are confused with regarding what type of project should they create. Well, before that, we need to understand the importance of projects or what is the actual need of doing these projects. As we live in a digital era where everyone is connected with each other, it's important that people can see your skills by using it or by looking at them. For example, what would be better to write in your resume that you have worked on some random XYZ project or that you have created an application which is live, which other users or recruiters can look around and take a feel of your skills. I think the later one is a better choice since it's exposing your skills to the outside world. Now, coming to beginners, the project that I feel are really great for beginners are a portfolio project or some digitally creative resume that you can just easily build in just few hours. By building a portfolio, you easily stand out from like 30% of the crowd because a recruiter can see that you have actually created something of value and you have put effort and time in building it from scratch, and you are someone that likes building things. You can use GitHub to push your project code. Coming to resources, where to find these projects. For resources regarding building projects, there are tons of free portfolio templates you can find on YouTube, freecodecamp, dev.to, etc. I'll add the links in the description. Projects can also be hosted freely on Heroku, Python Anywhere, GitHub Pages, Netlify, etc. If you want to know how to host static pages or host projects entire, please comment on the video. I'll make sure to add them as well. After building a portfolio, most beginners are confused on what to build next or what to learn next. The things that you must focus on learning is a different matter. But when you are learning a new language or technology, there is a high chance that there might be a demo or sample application built using that particular technology or framework. For example, if you want to learn or make something in React, you can go to the official website of React and start by building the tic-tac-toe game that is given in the tutorials. You can easily find all the steps of the game in the official documentation itself. Or if you want to learn Flask, you can find URL shortener demo application code in the official documentation itself. You don't need to worry about anything else. Just focus on working the code and building the demo app. By the time you are done, you will have actually learned something. Take any other tech, for example Angular, Vue.js, Express.js, Flask, Django. You will find sample application for all of them in their official documentation itself. You don't need to go to any other different sources. Now, sometimes you say if you want to learn a project, it's also a good idea to start by building something in that language itself so that you can easily learn that language. If you are learning a separate tech and you are not sure to make a standalone thing out of it, you can try to integrate that thing in your project. Example, if you want to learn Kafka or some other messaging queues app, you can just use them inside your projects. You can use Kafka inside your Django application or Flask application. Integrate them into your projects. That way you can show that you have learned the skills and you have actually used them in your projects. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe and share to your friends if you find the video helpful.